Imagine a world where the classroom is as accessible as your smartphone, where learning isn't confined to four walls and a chalkboard but happens wherever you are. Well, in India, that future is now. EdTech startups have exploded in recent years, changing the way millions of students engage with education. Whether it's AI-driven, personalized learning or live interactive classes, Indian Edtech is revolutionizing access to knowledge for students of all ages and backgrounds. From crowded city streets to the quietest villages, learning has never been this accessible or this engaging. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 Indian EdTech startups that are transforming the future of education. Welcome to the AI Lib. Let's start with a company that's working on the ground, quite literally. LeadSchool is one of the few EdTech startups that has its roots deeply embedded in rural and semi-urban India. Founded in 2012 by Smita Diora and Sumit Mehta, LeadSchool isn't just about giving students digital content. It's about building entire school ecosystems from the ground up. Here's the deal. In many parts of India, especially in rural regions, students still struggle to get access to basic quality education. Schools are often underfunded, teachers are undertrained, and students have limited resources. LeadSchool is tackling this issue head-on by partnering with budget private schools to improve the entire system. They bring curriculum, teacher training, and tech infrastructure into these schools, helping students achieve better outcomes. The core of LeadSchool's solution is its integrated learning system, which includes smart classrooms, tablets for teachers, and an app that connects teachers, students, and parents. Through this system, LeadSchool offers a structured curriculum that ensures that children in remote areas receive the same quality of education as those in cities. And the numbers back them up. LeadSchool has partnered with over 2,000 schools across more than 400 towns in India, impacting the lives of hundreds of thousands of students. But LeadSchool isn't just about teaching students, it's about empowering teachers too. In rural India, a major problem is the lack of well-trained teachers. LeadSchool provides continuous professional development and training to teachers, ensuring they can use the latest tech tools and modern teaching methods effectively. This not only improves student performance, but also raises the quality of education as a whole in these underserved areas. During the pandemic, LeadSchool's model was a lifeline for schools that were forced to shut down. Their tech infrastructure allowed classes to continue online, ensuring that students didn't fall behind. The startup also launched a Lead at Home program, which provided students with remote learning solutions to continue their education during the lockdown. The success of LeadSchool is measured not just in numbers, but in the impact it's making on communities where education was once a distant dream. By improving both student outcomes and teacher capabilities, LeadSchool is creating a sustainable model for education in rural India. It's not flashy, but it's impactful. They're not just building students, they're building futures. In a country where government jobs are highly coveted, competitive exam preparation is serious business. That's where Testbook comes in. Founded in 2014 by Ashutosh Kumar and his team, Testbook has carved out a space as one of India's leading platforms for competitive exam prep, particularly for government positions. Testbook's platform offers comprehensive tools for students preparing for exams like the SSC, Bank PO, and railway exams. What sets it apart from other EdTech platforms is its deep focus on mock tests and analytics. Students don't just study, they practice over and over again, in conditions that mimic the real exams. This prepares them not just for the material but for the experience itself, helping to reduce anxiety and improve performance under pressure. But Testbook isn't just about practicing blindly. Their platform provides detailed analytics on student performance, tracking progress, and offering insights on where students need to improve. This level of feedback helps students focus on their weak areas, boosting their overall chances of success. It's a data-driven approach to exam preparation that has proven to be highly effective. During the pandemic, when traditional coaching centers were forced to close, Testbook saw a huge spike in users. They expanded their course offerings, adding more live classes and interactive study sessions to meet the rising demand. Today, Testbook boasts over 10 million users, with students from all over India relying on the platform to help them achieve their dream of landing a government job. The rise of online platforms like Testbook is leveling the playing field for students from rural and underprivileged backgrounds. Many of these students cannot afford expensive coaching centers in big cities, but with Testbook's affordable online offerings, they can now compete on equal footing with their urban counterparts. The platform offers both free and premium content, ensuring that even students from lower-income families have access to high-quality resources. While Testbook has been highly successful, it also faces challenges. The competitive exam space is highly crowded, with numerous platforms vying for attention. However, Testbook's focus on analytics and its expansive user base make it a leader in this space. As the demand for government jobs remains high, Testbook will likely continue to grow and expand its offerings, helping millions of students along the way. Imagine you're a student struggling with a math problem late at night. You don't have a tutor nearby, and your parents are probably as clueless about the equation as you are. Enter DoubtNut, a platform designed to solve your doubts instantly with the help of image recognition technology. Launched in 2016 by Tanushree Nagori and Adifir Shankar, DoubtNut has revolutionized how students get help with tough problems. The premise is simple but brilliant. Students can take a photo of their problem, whether it's a math equation or a chemistry question, and DoubtNut's AI-powered engine will instantly recognize the query and offer a step-by-step video explanation. No more searching through textbooks or waiting for a tutor to be available. DoubtNut delivers answers in seconds. DoubtNut started with a focus on math, but its platform has since expanded to cover subjects like physics, chemistry, and biology. It's especially popular in smaller towns and rural areas where access to high-quality tutors is limited. With over 20 million users, DoubtNut has become a go-to solution for students seeking help with difficult concepts outside school hours. One of the platform's biggest strengths is its ability to offer solutions in multiple languages. English isn't the first language for a significant portion of India's student population, especially in rural areas. DoubtNut has made sure to provide content in languages like Hindi, Tamil, and Bengali, ensuring that students who aren't fluent in English can still benefit from the platform. During the pandemic, when students were stuck at home and unable to attend classes, DoubtNut's user base exploded. The platform saw millions of new downloads, as students relied on it to keep up with their studies while schools were closed. The app's easy-to-use interface and instant answers made it a lifesaver for students struggling to learn on their own. However, DoubtNut's focus on image recognition technology also presents challenges. While the app works great for subjects like math and science, it's harder to apply the same technology to subjects that require more nuanced answers, like history or literature. But with continuous improvements in AI, DoubtNut is steadily expanding its range of subjects and improving its algorithms to tackle more complex queries. In today's world, coding is as essential a skill as reading or writing. White Hat Jr., founded in 2018 by Karen Bajaj, recognized this early on and set out to teach kids as young as 6 years old how to code. While the platform has sparked plenty of controversy, there's no denying that White Hat Jr. has tapped into a massive market, parents who want to prepare their kids for a tech-driven future. White Hat Jr. offers one-on-one coding classes for students aged 6 to 18, covering topics from basic programming to more advanced concepts like AI and app development. The idea is simple. Kids learn to code through project-based learning. Instead of just memorizing code, they build real-world projects, like games and apps, which not only make learning more engaging, but also help kids develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The company gained massive attention in 2020 when it was acquired by Byju's for $300 million, marking one of the biggest deals in the Indian Edtech space. The acquisition has helped White Hat Jr. expand its offerings beyond just coding. Today, the platform also teaches math, science, and even space technology. But White Hat Jr. hasn't been without its share of controversies. The company has been criticized for its aggressive marketing tactics, with many accusing it of making unrealistic promises to parents about their kids becoming Silicon Valley ready. Despite the backlash, White Hat Jr. has continued to grow, with over 1 million students across India, the US, and the UK. One thing is clear: White Hat Jr. is shaping the next generation of tech-savvy kids. As coding becomes a crucial skill in the modern job market, platforms like White Hat Jr. are giving kids a head start in a world dominated by technology. While most edtech startups focus on students, ClassPlus is all about empowering the teachers. Founded in 2018 by Mukul Rustagi and Baswat Agarwal, ClassPlus is a B2B platform that helps tutors and coaching institutes take their businesses online. The platform provides educators with the tools they need to create their own branded mobile apps, manage students, deliver live lessons, and even collect fees, all in one place. Before ClassPlus, many independent tutors and small coaching centers struggled to keep up with the digital transformation happening in education. Competing with the likes of Byju's or Unacademy was nearly impossible for smaller businesses. ClassPlus leveled the playing field by providing an affordable, easy-to-use solution that allows educators to go digital without needing advanced tech skills. The platform has been a massive success, with over 100,000 educators and more than 20 million students using its services. ClassPlus doesn't just offer live streaming. It helps tutors build an entire ecosystem of content, from on-demand video libraries to personalized feedback systems. This enables teachers to scale their businesses, reaching students far beyond their local neighborhoods. ClassPlus saw tremendous growth during the pandemic, as teachers who were unable to conduct in-person classes turned to online platforms. The startup is now valued at over $250 million, making it one of the rising stars in India's edtech landscape. By focusing on the infrastructure for educators, ClassPlus has positioned itself as the backbone of the next wave of educational entrepreneurship in India. When you think of edtech in India, your mind might go straight to schools and kids. But Upgrad is playing in a different league, targeting working professionals and those looking to upskill. Founded in 2015 by serial entrepreneur Ronnie Screwvala, Upgrad has positioned itself as the leading platform for people who want to advance their careers in fields like data science, machine learning, management, and digital marketing. India has a massive workforce, and as industries evolve rapidly with technological advancements, the need for continuous learning has never been more important. Upgrad focuses on outcomes-based learning, ensuring that students don't just sign up for courses but actually finish them and achieve measurable results. These might be promotions, career switches, or landing new jobs. The platform has partnered with top-tier universities and educational institutions to offer certified courses that carry real weight in the job market. What makes Upgrad stand out is the depth of its course offerings. They aren't just selling a few coding tutorials or entry-level business courses. Upgrad offers programs that go deep into high-demand fields. Their students can earn full-fledged degrees, diplomas, and industry-recognized certifications from institutions like IIT Bangalore, MICA, and even Deakin University in Australia. And it's not just about content delivery. Upgrad's platform also includes mentorship programs, career coaching, and job placement assistance. Students have access to one-on-one mentorships with industry experts, personalized career guidance, and resume-building tools that help them secure job opportunities post-completion. This focus on career advancement has made Upgrad a favorite among professionals who want tangible results from their learning efforts. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the demand for upskilling skyrocketed as millions of people found themselves either out of work or looking to transition into more tech-driven roles. Upgrad capitalized on this by offering new courses and expanding its reach to international markets. As a result, the platform added hundreds of thousands of new learners and continued to grow even as other parts of the economy stagnated. Upgrad's success has earned it a valuation north of $1.2 billion, making it a unicorn in the edtech world. And with over 1 million learners globally, Upgrad shows no signs of slowing down. As industries continue to evolve, the need for lifelong learning will only grow, and Upgrad is perfectly positioned to be at the forefront of this movement. However, Upgrad faces stiff competition from both domestic and international players in the online higher education space. Platforms like Coursera and edX, with their global reach and partnerships with prestigious universities, are tough competitors. But Upgrad's India-first focus and its commitment to outcome-driven learning give it a unique edge in the crowded market. Topper is a name that's been synonymous with personalized learning since it was founded in 2013. The platform's goal is simple yet ambitious: to ensure that every student gets a learning experience that's tailored to their strengths, weaknesses, and pace. In a country like India, where the education system is often criticized for its one-size-fits-all approach, Topper's vision of adaptive learning is nothing short of revolutionary. Topper's platform is aimed at students from grades 5 to 12 and focuses heavily on competitive exam preparation, from IIT JEE to NET and AIMS. The heart of Topper's offering is its adaptive learning engine, which uses artificial intelligence to assess a student's performance and then customize their learning path. If a student is struggling with a specific topic, Topper's system will automatically adjust the difficulty of future questions and suggest additional learning materials to help the student improve. It's like having a personal tutor who knows exactly what you need, 24/7. Topper offers a range of tools beyond just lessons. The platform includes live classes, quizzes, mock tests, and even video solutions where teachers walk students through particularly tough problems step by step. This focus on data-driven learning helps ensure that students don't just memorize concepts for an exam, but understand them deeply. As the demand for coding and tech skills grows, Topper recognized an opportunity. In 2020, they launched Topper Coder, a coding platform specifically for kids. With Coder, students can learn programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and even build their own apps. This move taps into a growing trend among parents who want their children to learn tech skills early, positioning Topper as not just an exam prep platform but a comprehensive learning tool for the future. Topper has more than 13 million students using its platform and continues to grow. One of the reasons for this growth is its affordable pricing structure, which makes it accessible to students from a wide range of socio-economic backgrounds. They've also introduced scholarships and free trials to attract students who might not otherwise be able to afford private tutoring or premium online content. Of course, scaling personalized learning for millions of students is no easy feat. Topper's biggest challenge remains ensuring that its AI-driven adaptive system continues to function at a high level as the platform scales. Personalization is great, but it requires a huge amount of data and smart algorithms to ensure that students are getting the best possible experience. Topper's ongoing investment in technology and AI positions it well for this challenge, but it will need to keep evolving to stay ahead of the competition. While Byju's and Unacademy have made their names with pre-recorded content and self-paced learning, Vedantu took a different path. Founded in 2014 by 4 IIT alumni, Vedanta specializes in live, interactive online tutoring. The platform replicates the real-time learning experience of a classroom by offering students the chance to ask questions, solve problems, and get instant feedback from teachers, all in a virtual setting. Vedanta's live learning model is particularly appealing for students who thrive on interaction and need immediate clarification on concepts. It's like having a private tutor who's always just a click away. This model is ideal for students preparing for competitive exams, such as JEE and NET, but also caters to younger students and those in need of help with subjects like math, science, and English. What sets Vedantu apart from other platforms is its proprietary wave technology, which creates a dynamic and interactive learning environment. Teachers can conduct quizzes, use interactive whiteboards, and track student engagement in real time. This keeps students actively involved in their learning process, which is crucial in a world where distractions are just a notification away. During the pandemic, Vedanta's model exploded in popularity as schools shut down and parents sought live learning options for their children. The platform added over 25 million students during this period, and its subscription base surged by over 500%. This growth wasn't just a temporary pandemic bump. Vedantu has solidified itself as a leader in live online education. One of Vedanta's greatest strengths is its focus on small class sizes, which allows for more personalized attention than what you typically get in a traditional classroom. This model is particularly effective for students who need extra help or prefer a more hands-on approach to learning. While this smaller class size is a key selling point, it also poses a challenge. Scaling live, interactive learning while maintaining high-quality teaching standards is difficult, and as Vedanta grows, keeping up with demand while ensuring quality remains a key hurdle. Vedantu isn't just about live classes, though. The platform has expanded to offer pre-recorded content, mock tests, and a wide range of study materials to complement the live sessions. With over 500,000 paying subscribers and millions more using the free version, Vedantu is rapidly becoming a household name in Indian education. Looking forward, Vedantu is focused on improving its tech and expanding its reach. The company is investing heavily in AI and machine learning to enhance its wave technology and provide even more personalized learning experiences. With strong backing from investors and a growing user base, Vedantu is well positioned to continue leading the way in live online education. From its humble beginnings as a YouTube channel offering free educational videos in 2015, Unacademy has transformed into one of India's largest edtech platforms, now valued at over $3 billion. Unacademy's mission has always been clear: make education accessible to everyone, everywhere. But what started as a few tutorial videos quickly turned into a massive online ecosystem offering live interactive classes, pre-recorded courses, and exam preparation for some of India's most competitive exams, like UPSC, NET, and JEE. One of the things that sets Unacademy apart from other platforms is its live learning model. While many platforms rely on pre-recorded videos, Unacademy built its reputation on real-time classes, where students can interact directly with India's top educators. It's like having a virtual classroom where students can ask questions, clarify doubts, and participate in discussions, an experience that replicates the in-person classroom environment. This approach has been especially crucial during the pandemic, as millions of students were forced to rely on online learning. Unacademy's community-driven model is another unique aspect. The platform doesn't just offer content, it fosters a community of learners and educators. Students can share notes, collaborate on problems, and engage in healthy competition through leaderboards and quizzes. This gamified approach helps keep students motivated while creating a sense of camaraderie. Unacademy has also democratized access to high-quality educators. Traditionally, only students in major cities could attend classes with the country's best teachers. Unacademy changed that by bringing these teachers directly to the students, no matter where they live. Now, students from rural villages and small towns have access to the same resources as those in cities like Delhi or Mumbai, breaking down geographic barriers. Unacademy's biggest success lies in its competitive exam prep. Whether it's the UPSC Civil Services exam, NET, or CAT, the platform provides a wealth of resources to help students ace these tests. With millions of students enrolled, Unacademy has become synonymous with exam preparation in India. The platform's focus on offering free content alongside its premium courses ensures that students from all socio-economic backgrounds can benefit. But despite its incredible growth, Unacademy has faced challenges. Its pricing model, which includes a subscription fee for premium content, has been criticized for being too high for some students, particularly those from lower-income families. To combat this, Unacademy frequently offers scholarships and free classes, ensuring that students from all walks of life can access their content. Looking forward, Unacademy is expanding into new verticals, including job preparation and language learning. The platform is constantly evolving, with a focus on building an even larger library of live classes, recorded sessions, and interactive learning tools. Unacademy isn't just a platform for school exams, it's becoming a lifelong learning hub for professionals, government job aspirants, and even those looking to develop soft skills. No discussion about Indian Edtech is complete without Byju's, the undisputed giant in the industry. Founded in 2011 by Biju Ravindran, this startup began as a modest test preparation company but has since grown into a global edtech powerhouse. With a valuation exceeding $22 billion and over 150 million users worldwide, Byju's has become the face of India's edtech revolution. Byju's was born out of a desire to help students crack competitive exams like JEE and CAT. However, the platform quickly evolved, expanding its focus to include K-12 education, professional development, and even early learning through its Byju's Early Learn platform, which caters to children as young as 6. Today, Byju's covers everything from basic math to advanced science and coding, offering a vast array of learning tools and courses. So, what makes Byju's stand out? The answer lies in its ability to gamify education. Byju's uses interactive videos, animated lessons, and gamification techniques to make learning fun and engaging. Students don't just passively watch lessons, they interact with them, which improves retention and makes studying feel more like playing a video game than attending a boring lecture. It's education designed for the digital generation, where attention spans are short, but the desire for engaging content is high. Byju's has also taken a global approach to education. Through a series of acquisitions, including the purchase of Osmo, an interactive learning platform, and Epic, a US-based reading app for kids, Byju's has expanded far beyond India. The company is now a global leader in edtech, offering its services in countries across the world. Byju's has truly become a global brand, attracting students from the US, UK, and the Middle East. The company's strategy of acquiring complementary platforms has further diversified its offerings. With the rise of STEM education, Byju's has made strategic moves to capture younger audiences through coding and interactive games. Its acquisition of White Hat Jr. for $300 million, which focuses on teaching kids to code, has opened up a whole new vertical for the company, further cementing its position as a leader in tech-based education. However, Byju's rapid growth hasn't come without controversy. Critics argue that its aggressive marketing tactics, including pushing expensive subscriptions, alienate lower-income families. While Byju's offers scholarships and free trials, the cost of premium content remains out of reach for many students, particularly those in rural areas. Additionally, the company has faced backlash for creating a high-pressure sales environment, with reports of parents feeling pressured into buying costly programs for their children. That said, Byju's impact on education is undeniable. The platform has changed the way millions of students learn, offering them tools that are far more engaging and effective than traditional textbooks. As the largest edtech company in India, Byju's continues to innovate, expand, and inspire a new generation of learners both in India and abroad. So, what do you think? Will these edtech startups continue to revolutionize education in India, or will traditional methods find a way to catch up? Are we on the verge of an entirely digital education system, or is there still a place for the classroom as we know it? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Check out the videos appearing on your screen right now for more insights and stories from the world of technology. This is the AI Lib. Stay tuned.